Are you afraid of splinters?
No. I do usually like to use gloves, though, just because I've been rock climbing. I don't want to fuck up my hands.
Don't worry, they're washed. They're only being used for the hands, don't worry.
It's like
these are, I don't know if these are really going to do
in the
much.
middle of the entire project.
Yeah, they might not do anything. So here's the deal. Julia wanted a catio for her cat Athena, the gray cat.
Yeah.
And
I think they'll all end up using it, but yeah.
Well, all can end up using it. And I had a couple of options, Chad. One, I either make a teeny tiny catio that just goes here over the window, you know, see it? Kind of like this, this, like a little, like 2 feet out, maybe 3. And maybe it goes a little bit out, but not too much, so it doesn't feel like it's invasive.
Yeah.
But I was thinking to myself, and then what? Then she will, instead of screaming inside, scream outside, like, oh, let me out, let me out, meow.
She'll scream 1 foot out.
You kind of
outside of her normal area.
I know Arnold is from Austria, but you really just sounded like him just for a second when you said, let me out.
Let me out.
Yes, that was so good.
Thank you. Yeah, I thought that's too small. So I thought, what if I make something bigger? And also I don't like the idea that it's kind of like in the way here. So I had option number 2. Over here, I was thinking, what if I build like a small little catio that's like a 8x4 or 8x6, comes out like, let's say 6 feet or 4 feet.
Is 8 feet long?
It's a bit.
That's a little catio?
Well, it's like, I know.
That's a rich people catio.
Yeah, but this is what I learned. Athena is a girl. Whatever she gets, it's never enough. So I want to give her as much as I can.
What does that mean?
No, it's like,
amen.
There was like a Marilyn Monroe moment where like your skirt was like kind of flying. I was kind of like Monka.
Shorts on under.
Yeah, no, I know. Sorry, I got distracted.
What?
I think I want to give Athena as much as I can, but the problem is if I do it here, I then need to get posts, so the wood isn't just on the floor. Does that make sense? But I don't want to like put anything down with like posts or anything. I don't want to do anything permanent. And I also don't like the idea that something would be here. So then I had a third idea, and I feel like this is the best idea. What if I close up this wall, but not close, but just like I essentially built a frame that goes around here, and I have 2 layers of, what do you call this, mesh. One against mosquitoes, which is amazing, and one which is a more durable and robust material. Shit, I got the same twice, unless they gave one wrong one, which might not be correct. Anyways, it sucks. You know, probably won't be done today.
I'm following. I got this.
So one will be this mesh material, and the other one will be like something more sturdy.
Okay.
Like a chicken wire.
Yep.
So that the cats won't actually scrape out.
Yeah, so the cats.
Because they might get through mesh.
Chicken wire won't stop mosquitoes, though.
Correct. So what we will do essentially, CYR, is we will build 2 frames. One frame right here, right? And one frame right here. So the cat has like not just a catio, but a catio patio.
A sunroom for the cat.
Like a sunroom, but it's still open.
Is it external? How does cat get from inside to there?
That is a very good question. Do you see this window?
Yes.
So what I want to do is I want to install, actually I can open this right now, I want to install a little cat door that she can go in and out from at any time whenever she wants.
Thank God.
And intruders cannot come from the outside because this is always closed. What I wanted to get, some materials are missing, but once again, this is a project. Listen, when it comes to certain streams, this would probably be like a ×3 12-hour stream if I showed everything, which maybe all the time, who knows, maybe. But I wanted to essentially have this closed off, so you can maybe even have like a little sitting bench here, or like something for the cat, something fun, and have like a double sliding door right here.
Yeah.
So you can then go to the external patio. Why is that great?
Wow, this is quite elaborate, my friend.
Thank you. The one reason why this is amazing,
I just told him to buy one off of like Etsy or something.
This sounds like you want to build a whole room.
Kind of. Is that too much? Am I doing too much?
Well, no. If you want my advice, one thing that cats love is, well, let me say this.
Freedom.
Cats love to look at birds and they love to look at the environment. If you put a catio, well, if you would want to put it here, facing out here, right?
Yes.
Okay, not in any circumstance a catio here.
It's one of those
because
things.
at that point you've taken 180 degrees and you are wasting it on shit cat doesn't care about. If you put it on that window, cat has a lot more enjoyment of life.
I thought of that.
Yeah.
And that's why this will make even more sense once I show it. Dude, I should have had the whiteboard out. So what I want to essentially allow is part of this frame will have a disconnectable piece where I can then connect a little tunnel if I wanted to build one. Just to like show you real quick. I wanted to make a disconnectable tunnel so I can make like an external box. We won't be able to do that today, but imagine I did like, Imagine I did like a tunnel so the cat can actually like walk through this tunnel right here, and we have like a little playground, like a 4x4 where she can then touch grass.
Okay, wow. Did this cat threaten you? This is insane.
No, but I did.
That's wild.
I want her to keep cooking.
Well, listen, I'm on board with whatever decision you want, and I'll come and help you as much as you want. So you can already get that out of the way.
By the way, just saying, again, this is like a bigger project where we don't like, I'm not asking, I would have never asked you to be here like, yo, Cyr, can you help me? Come on my stream for like 2 hours?
No, but
I
like this though.
Day 3, we're like, yeah, we're 30% done.
No, I love this.
Yeah, no.
I'm all for this.
You'll never get them captured, so you know.
Fuck. If that's what it takes, then.
Is that what it takes?
Let's get the bots back.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I touched you.
Ow,
Did I injure you?
I'm
Dude,
leaving.
But this part, I was actually scared for you because when you like hit the perfect in between.
Oh, it makes your whole arm go numb.
Yeah, it makes your whole arm go like crazy.
Funny bone.
Funny bone.
Okay, so I'm down with whatever you want. What is realistic to you? What do you truly want to do? It looks like you want grass to grow here.
Yeah.
I want grass to grow here.
So if you're going to do all this, say goodbye to all that.
I'm glad that you asked that. The TLDR, what we're going to do today is install the cat door, but make it unusable for the cat yet, so it's going to stay locked. I will open this in a second. We will build the frame. Ideally, I think that's like the most realistic thing that we can actually achieve. We'll build the frame A and the frame B. And again, I don't want to drill into anything. I'm going to just use the frame will essentially be like locked in through like a squish mechanism. I don't know how to explain it.
Off of tension?
Tension, yes.
This could be tight.
Like, look at me and Julia, right? Can I? Her and I, we're not nailed together, right? But somehow our tension keeps us together. And that's how I want these walls to stay.
Okay, so you want there to be a little bit of